Before installing the WooCommerce plugin, a theme should be chosen and settings for the overall site should be configured. Themes are a matter of personal choice and vary widely in design and functionality. When choosing a theme, consider getting one that has good support, even if it means purchasing a premium theme. There are free themes that are e-commerce ready, and even the developers of WooCommerce offers a free theme. E-commerce covers a large variety of issues, and eventually you'll need the advice and help of the theme developer. If you're adding WooCommerce to an existing theme, then you need to make sure that it's compatible with the e-commerce plugin. Themes and plugins can cause conflicts with e-commerce plugin operations. But to reduce confusion and to show the operation of the plugin without distraction, for this series we'll be using a default WordPress theme. Most of the overall settings for the site can be changed without affecting the operation of the WooCommerce plugin. The one exception to this is the Permalink Settings. Permalink is the permanent URLs or links to your site. Permalinks are what search engines use to help determine the relevancy of a site for a search. You want the permalinks to speak to the search engines and to a visitor so they understand what you have. Setting this now will prevent broken links later. To set permalinks, navigate to the Settings admin menu and the Permalink screen. By default, WordPress uses numbers as part of the permalink. We'll be using the popular post name permalink setting for the store. Select post name and click the Save button. Other changes that should be made are the General Settings screen. The site name and tagline and the date should be set. If you're adding e-commerce to an existing site, then you'll likely have these already set. If you're adding WooCommerce to an existing site and you want to change the permalink structure, then you will need to create a redirect from the old permalinks to the new links by using the Row 1 redirection. This should be done before you start using the WooCommerce plugin. There's a link below with a redirection tool and one for a redirect plugin that can be used if needed. Now we'll install the WooCommerce plugin. The WooCommerce plugin is installed like any other plugin. Navigate to Plugins admin menu and the Add New screen. Enter WooCommerce, no dashes, in the search box and click Search Plugins. It should be the first plugin on the list. If not, find the WooCommerce by Woo Themes and click the Install Now button and follow the directions to activate the plugin. When activated, you'll see a banner across the top of the screen for installing WooCommerce pages. These are the pages that are needed in the operation of the site. A page to view the shopping cart and a page for checkout, for instance. If you're adding this to an existing site and you don't want to use the automatic page creation, then you can create these yourself. If this is a fresh install, then clicking the Install WooCommerce page will do that task for you, and you can always change or delete pages later. This does, however, automatically add the pages to the navigation menu. If you don't want these on the menu, then you will need to manually change the menu. When activated, the plugin installs a WooCommerce admin menu and a products menu. In addition, it adds a variety of widgets to the widget screen. And it added some additional optional structures to the Permalink screen for categories and tags and a product permalink structure. It also adds some information fields to the user profile and tracking features are added to the dashboard. And if you use the automatic page creation, then it also added several pages to the site, and it added those pages to the default menu for the store. We'll cover all these and more in detail in the coming videos. If you have a feature that's not covered and you want to know more about it, then just leave a comment.